Well, the heat wave problem could probably last for another 2, 3 months easily, and because it will affect those big energy intensive industries and it will have knock-on effect throughout the economy and even to the global supply chain. And we already see slowdown in production in the steel industry, in chemical industry, in fertilizer industry, and those are very important things when it comes to construction, to agriculture, and also to manufacturing in general. So last year, as we have estimated, the power shortage period has cost China about 0.6 percentage point of GDP growth. And this year, we think this number will be a lot higher. If I have to give a conservative estimate, I would say 1.5 percentage points lower. And right now, we're giving 4%, 4% of GDP growth for the full year. And if the current situation continues, then I have to say the growth rate is probably below 3%.
Okay, so what more can policymakers do? We can start with the heat wave and the drought, and I think Sri was going through, or Sam was going through some of the measures they were taking, including cloud seeding. But, in terms of stimulus, Monday, in the wake of the disappointing trifecta of data, we had a surprise MLF cut. Coming up next week, you must be expecting an LPR cut as well.
Yeah. Yes, we do. We have anticipated rate cuts as early as June, but back then the economy was still under pretty strict COVID control. And in July, the COVID situation has stabilized, so the market actually anticipated a rate cut between August and December. And when it comes to how to revive the economy, housing market is the key. And the real economy also need lower cost of financing. And that means probably the 5-year LPR and the 1-year LPR will both be lowered to a certain extent. But I will be surprised if the rate cut is significant. Because right now, as you said, the heat wave is a quite dire situation. And the COVID control is still in place. And also we have the Party's Congress coming. And that means probably there won't be an aggressive stimulus plan.